Na,
Anong year ka na sa college?
ay, di po.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Alright. Do you wanna play, Lang?
I don't know how to play.
No, this one, the one that I sent you, the PK match. This one.
I'm
You know
sure
that?
I'm gonna lose.
Alright, that's fine. Let's just see who will win, like it's just for fun, Lang, okay? I would love to play with you. Yeah. Where are you from, Lang?
From Mindanao. From Surala.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I see.
I'm
Suranya.
sure I'm
Suranya.
gonna lose. Surala.
Surala. Okay, that's fine. I don't even mind if I win or lose. Yeah, I just want
Yeah.
to talk to you because you are a good-looking lady.
Oh, thank you.
You want to come to my country?
No one wants to come to your country. I want to go
You
in
don't-
Japan, Korea, or Paris or something like.
I see.
Oh my God.
Why you don't want to?
You're winning. Look, you have 15
No.
already.
I can make it 100 if they want to.
Oh my
since
God.
you are very nice
I'm sure
person.
I'm gonna lose.
No worries about that. Which part are you in? Like in Mindanao? It's Siranya. Is Siranya like a town or a province?
In a province.
Oh, I see. A province. I thought you are a Malaysian lady
No.
because you look like one.
Oh my God, you're winning. I'm only 0. I'm so
Oh,
sad.
that's all. What do you do in life, Lang?
I'm studying.
Like a college student?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. What are you studying in college? What is that?
Education.
Oh, I see. Is it a difficult thing
It's
to
a
do?
teacher.
Oh, you wanna be? Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh,
Punta daw
wow.
ubos man ta di ang aton nga kapagyarihan man. Look.
What do you mean? I don't understand. You're speaking something.
No, it's my sister. We talk each other. I am Ilonggo.
I see.
Pinoy yan niya. Pinoy ko daw madugo na di ilong ko. Guys, maligi ako sa agad English. Yung madugo na di ilong ko.
Are you a Filipino?
Yes, I am a Filipino.
I see. Okay.
Now-
Anong year ka na sa college?
Ay, di po. Anong year ka na sa college? Uy, gapara mula. Wala ko sa imo to. As in, gapara mula. Di po, tayo nung ka naman gali. Gapara mula ko, tanawa. Gapara mula ko. Like, oh my God.
Hindi ko siya maintindihan kasi ilong.
Ah, akala ko Ilonggo ka. Yeah. Bakit marunong ka mag-Ilonggo? Nag-Ilonggo
Hindi,
ka.
Tagalog lang ako. Tagalog. Marunong mo mag-Tagalog.
Oh my God, pero ang accent, pero ang may English, pero ang accent mo parang nasa ibang bansa. Akala ko, like major ko tapos ang gidistorya mo English. Like,
Okay, major.
gaparamula ko, gaparamula. Dumadugo, ilong ko, dumadugo.
Like,
Oo,
nagpa-prank ako.
Jay,
Like,
Ilongga.
sinubukan kong i-prank ka.
Ha?
Sinubukan kong i-prank ka.
So, na-prank mo na ko. Paano ni madula ning